Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, I want to show you how you can get started in Notion. And it's all coming up next. So in today's episode, I want to go over Notion with y'all and how you can get started right inside of Notion. So if you download the Notion app, you can create your own workspace. And this is what I've done here. I've created a whole brand new workspace. And a workspace basically is like your canvas. It's like something that you can create pages in, create databases, a whole new workspace. And you can have plenty of workspaces. Now, of course, there's a pro plan that you can have that costs money. So, but the regular plan gets you pretty much everything that you need to do things inside of Notion. All right, so here, when you first start up Notion with your account, you'll have a getting started area. So it kind of leads you along the way. Okay, so you'll have a getting started area and it'll say click anywhere and just start typing. So that's what I've done right here. So you can just start typing stuff, right? Obviously you don't just type gibberish like I just did, but you can type whatever you want. Just like that, right? So I've done that. Then it says hit the forward slash, I think that is, to see all the types of contents you can add. So we go to another line and say, hit that forward slash. You can see all of the stuff that you can do inside of Notion. Okay. So we've done that. Now it says highlight any text and use the menu that pops up to style your text however you want. So you see here, we typed this in here. Whoops, I didn't even spell that right, did I? So let's say I highlight that by double clicking on it. I can choose it to be bold or underlined or italics, or maybe I want it to be a color, right? Then here it says see the ... to the left of this checkbox on it, or hover over it, click and drag to move this line. So each line that you type on has a little thing here that if you go over it, you'll see it turns into a hand. Well, you can grab a hold of that and drag it anywhere. So let's say you want to reorganize your list, right? So you can drag it to wherever you want. Or you want it down here. So you can drag it to wherever you want. Then it says click the plus new page button at the bottom of your sidebar to add a new page. Okay, and you can do that pretty easily. See, add a page. Ta-da! So I added a new page. And it says click templates in your sidebar to get started with pre-built pages. So one of the easiest ways to start with a pre-built page, so you're not, especially if you're new, you have no idea what Notion is even about, really. So the best way to do that is to go ahead and click on the templates. And over here you have so many different kind of templates you can choose from, right, to get started. And then you can adjust those templates or adjust those to suit whatever it is you're trying to do. Maybe you want to add some more things to it. But it's a great starting point. Then you have toggles that you can do stuff with, right? And then if you have any questions, you click the question mark down here, and you can ask any questions. There's a help and documentations. You also got support and keyboard shortcuts. And what's new, and join us, right? So these are some of the things that you can do inside of Notion. And so this is just the get started page. Now, if you look over here, we have a quick notes. So they created a little page here for you. And you can get rid of these if you don't want them. You can just right click on them and hit delete and get rid of them, right? Here's a personal home. So they created a little personal home thing for you. So whenever you start up Notion, they give you a little bit of stuff that's already preset, and you can customize it to however you want. Or you can delete them. Maybe you don't need them, right? Got all these different things that you can do here, right? And one cool thing about Notion is you got settings here, so you can, kind of set it up how you want it to look. Like right now, I have it in a dark theme. Maybe you don't like the dark theme. Maybe you like the light theme, right? So you can go here to light, just like that. Maybe you like the light theme. So many different things you can do and customize to your liking inside of Notion. But that's all I got for y'all in today's episode. In future episodes, I'm going to go into a little bit more detail on what you can do inside of Notion and why Notion is pretty much one of the coolest apps out there that I think that can combine all your productivity into one interface. So with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I hope to catch you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.